Hi guys and welcome to the channel. This is practically the third day since I own this BMW 5 Series GT. I've been through a lot during these 3 days. Car is actually awesome. I'm pretty happy with the acquisition. It was the cheapest BMW 5 Series F07 on the market for only 6,600 euro. The total investment, if you want, in this car is about 7,600 euros. So I spent almost 1,000 in 3 days on things like quick buff, dechrome, oil service, air filter, oil filter. I've also changed the headlight TMS module in the driver's headlight, so now the engine light works perfectly. No error on the dashboard anymore. Car went through an EGR replacement as well, as there was a persistent error about the EGR valve. That error is gone. I've just popped into Halfords and I've came across these bulbs. They are Osram H7 LED bulbs. The cost is pretty high, it was 130 euro, but it's a 6000 Kelvin, so it will give that white color for the headlights. These are halogen headlights, so no xenon fitted on this car. I don't want to retrofit any crazy lights. I've checked the prices online. Xenon ready headlight for this car, it's about 900 pounds each, so it would be probably 30% of the value of the car, which I don't want to invest. I will install these. I will show you how they look compared to regular halogen H7 once I fit one of them. In addition to the LED lights, I bought this auto clean product. It's a wheel cleaner, 1 liter of it. This should get me through the next 3 months probably of washing the car. I'll run straight to the car wash from here. There is still some greasy compound on the car from yesterday's quick buff, which has to go off. Let's go to the car wash, fit the lights, and let's see the result. These are the H7 Osram LED bulbs that I've bought for 130 euro a pair. I'll show you how the current halogen bulbs look like on the car. Pretty yellow and not so bright. As you can see, it's quite yellow and they don't stand out. Let's have a closer look. I've just checked, so we'll have to fit them through this door here. We have 2 bolts on top and that will come out so we can access the headlight. I will proceed and fit one of them, so we will be able to compare driver's side with the passenger side and see which looks better. I'll be back in a second. I have managed to put the LED bulb in the headlight assembly, and let's have a look. It's very white and way brighter than the other one. I'm pretty happy with the result. It's way more white. Whiter and brighter. Here you can see it properly. I think it's absolutely amazing, so well worth the money. Fitting needs a bit of attention, as the way bulbs are secured in place in these cars, it's a bit tricky. It has a metal part that holds them together in the socket, so that had to be trimmed a bit, but I'm pretty pleased. So another successful job. Thanks for watching.